Welcome to IPM Leap. In today's video, we are going to learn how to square numbers close to 50 in just 3 seconds. This trick originated in Vedic Maths and it applies to all numbers that are in the range of 35 to 65. Knowing this awesome trick will help you a lot in fast calculations and time management during exams. So how does this trick work? If you have a number close to 50, say 53, the first step is to find out its difference from 50. So 53 minus 50 gives us 3. Let's call this value the difference D. For finding out your answer, D is all you need. We first write D square, which forms the last 2 digits of our answer. So D is 3 and D square will be 9. We will write 09 because D square is to be written over last 2 digits. And for arriving at the left side of your answer, you need to add this D to 25. So 25 plus 3 gives us 28. And our answer for 53 square is simply 2809. Let's generalize. For calculating the square of a number close to 50, first we need to find out the difference from 50, D. Next, we write D square, which forms the last 2 digits of our answer. And for the first part of our answer, we add D to 25. Be careful, we need to add D to 25, not 50. 25 is half of 50. One more example. For 58 square, 58 is 50 plus 8. So D is 8. The last 2 digits of our answer is 8 square, 64. And the left side of our answer is simply 25 plus 8, which is 33. So 3364 is the square of 58. This trick applies equally well to numbers below 50 but close to 50. Only in this case, we need to subtract D from 25. So to calculate 46 square, 46 is 50 minus 4. D is 4. But this time we need to subtract D from 25. Last 2 digits of our answer are D square, so 16. And the left hand side of our answer is 25 minus D. So 25 minus 4. That is 21. 2116 is our final answer. Few more examples. Let's calculate 62 square. Though 62 is not very close to 50, this squaring trick still works. So 62 is 50 plus 12. The difference is 12. The last 2 digits of our answer will come from D square, 12 square, which is 144. Well, 144 is 3 digits, not 2. And don't forget that D square needs to be written over 2 digits. Not to worry, we will keep the last 2 digits of 144 and this hundredth digit, 1, we will carry over and add to the left part of our answer. The left part of our answer is 25 plus 12, that is 37. Add to this the carry digit 1 and left part becomes 38. So our answer is 3844. 2 more examples. This time let's take numbers less than 50. 43 square. 43 is 7 less than 50. So D is 7. The rightmost 2 digits of our answer are 7 square, that is 49. And the left hand side of our answer is 25 minus 7, which is 18. So 1849 is our answer. Next is 49 square. 49 is 1 less than 50. So rightmost 2 digits are 1 square. So we write 01. And left hand side is 25 minus 1. That is 24. So our answer is simply 2401. So hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to press the like button if you did. And also press the bell icon next to subscribe to get notifications about other such useful content on our channel. PDF of this lesson is available for free on our website www.ipmleap.com. Happy learning!